If you're seeing the Outlook 403 forbidden error, that usually means there's a permission or access problem preventing Outlook from loading correctly. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it, starting with the fastest solutions first. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open Outlook in Incognito or private browsing mode. This is one of the best ways to quickly check whether the issue is being caused by your browser. If Outlook works in private mode, that tells you the problem is probably related to saved cookies, cached files, or a browser extension. To do this, open your browser and start a new Incognito window if you're using Chrome, or a private window if you're using Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Then sign into Outlook again and see if the 403 error still appears. If Outlook loads properly in private mode, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store old data that can become corrupted or conflict with Outlook sign-in sessions. Clearing that data often fixes access problems like this one. In your browser, go to the Settings menu, find Privacy or Browsing Data, and choose the option to clear cached images, files, cookies, and site data. Make sure you're clearing data for the right time range, and if possible, select All Time for the cleanest reset. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Outlook again. After clearing the cache and cookies, sign back into Outlook and check whether the 403 error is gone. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem because it removes old session data that was blocking access. If you still see the error, try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or restarting the browser once more. Another helpful step is to make sure the browser itself is fully updated. An outdated browser can sometimes cause Microsoft services to behave incorrectly. Also, if you have browser extensions installed, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, those can interfere with Outlook sign-in and permissions. If needed, try disabling extensions temporarily and test Outlook again. So, to recap the main fix, first use Incognito or private mode to test whether the browser is the issue. Then clear your browser cache and cookies, and then try signing in again. Most of the time, that resolves the Outlook 403 forbidden error quickly and safely. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more step-by-step fixes for Outlook and other common app errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.